Joe, talk us through your night's sleep.
Awful.
Why?
It's because the bed was too small and I was in a net.
Yeah, and you was in a net.
And yeah, there wasn't enough room.
What about all the noises from the jungle?
Oh Christ, yeah. There you go, one of them.
Seriously, it's like this. For the first time you spend a night in the jungle, of course, when you live at home in a town, you're used to cars going by and everything else. But here in the jungle, it's like lots of birds and frogs and crickets. So literally every noise, you're like, what was that? And that. It's a little bit funny. So, but yeah. Anyway, we're just about to go on a jungle walk. Hopefully, it should be a good day. Jungling upstream today. This is jungling. Come on, Joe.
It's such a boy thing to do.
Is it like Yorkie?
Yeah, it's not for girls.
Our men have got machetes. Where have they brought us? Proper jungle. We are jungle trekking. Sorry, what's the tree?
Piranha.
It goes a long, long way up.
It's a very old one.
How old?
Around 200 years.
Yep, ate them.
Was it a tarantula?
Oh my god.
It's huge. Or she? It's gone. That tarantula is massive. Joe's not too impressed though. Joanne, what do you think of that tarantula?
Just get me out of here.
If she could say, I'm a celebrity, get me out of here, she would.
Oh, so would.
Making a rope to climb a tree.
This is the ring.
Mm. Oh, yeah. That's pretty impressive.
Wow.
Slippery because it's wet.
Yeah.
Jungle gym.
They call it a telephone tree because of the noise. Believe it or not, that is a trail. You just about make it out.
What is it that's burning? Breu.
It's part of the tree, yeah?
Yeah. Resin. The tree resin.
Whoa.
Wow.
Been trekking for about 2 hours. It's been pretty awesome, I must admit. Our tour guide knows bloody everything about this jungle. He knows what every tree is, what its medicines can do, smells are, perfumes. It's pretty incredible. Joe's just about tolerating it. I think she's enjoyed herself, although I think it is a bucket list ticked for her with no intention of doing it again. Oh wow, I went for the camera.
That was a good one.
And again.
Ugh.
Transfer that file later. That was awesome. She's got a handmade fan, crown, she's even got a little rope bracelet. What are we making?
A star.
Making a star.
It's a bit clever, isn't it?
One Christmas star.
Christmas stuff.
That's really cool.
Joe, doing your bit for the Amazon? What are you going to be doing?
Planting a tree.
Put in that hole.
Oh.
Just pick ground for that. Like this. Okay.
Oh, it's a bit dirty.
Back to the Yorkie moment, honey.
Yeah. Boys, that, not for girls.
Tree planted, Joe. Well done. Ooh. So the owner has decided that where there was deforestation around here, he is going to replant all the local trees. Very impressive. Absolutely brilliant, that is. Jungle trek done. I was out for just over 3 hours. Must admit, it was absolutely brilliant. Joe didn't like it at first and didn't want to do it, and then as the trip went on, she kind of embraced it. I think it was 3 hours long enough for her. I'd like to do something a little bit more in depth and in different parts of the Amazon now, but it is bucket list ticked. I always wanted to do that. We're now just going to go put some shorts on because the sun is out here in the rainforest. So after a little jungle walk, we've put our shorts on and we've got about an hour till lunch, so we're going to head down to the deck. Sat here on the deck, just enjoying the rain. It's actually been so hot the last few hours, so many flies about, that actually is quite a nice welcome relief. Truly is amazing when it rains out here. So just enjoyed a nice little rain shower. It's now finished. Joe, you ready for a bit of piranha fishing? Going piranha fishing, what do you think, Joe? She's not quite as excited as I am, but she said that the last time we went fishing somewhere, so let's see how it goes. So Jo has just started her first ever go at piranha fishing. And our man's trying to attract some piranhas. We have ourselves our first piranha. Wow, that's awesome. That's the worst smile ever. See? Only the one fish at the first spot. Our captain of the boat, he caught a yellow-bellied piranha. We didn't really get any more nibbles, so we're going to move on somewhere else. Joe's actually, for someone who wasn't into it, has kind of got into this a little bit now.
I'm all over it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can't wait to catch a red belly.
So Joe's just been informed the red belly ones are the most aggressive, so she's now a bit nervous about it. Yay!
Yay!
Oh, I've got one and all! Oh, I've got a red one.
Oh, I don't put that near me. Yes, I got no.
My one's going nuts.
Oh, mine was just a fish. Sorry, mate.
She's got one. Check out this bad boy. Ooh.
That's the evil one. Oh, let's put mine back.
Back.
Woohoo! There you go. Oh! That was a piranha as well.
Yeah, it was a red belly one.
Alright, so I caught one.
Yeah!
White one.
Is that a white one? Well, it makes a noise. Look at that bad boy. I'm gonna run back here, Joe.
Yay!
You got a red-bellied one. Oh, what do you think to your first piranha, Joe?
Easy.
Getting closer, Joe. How many you had out now? 3?
I think so.
5. Come on, let's see if we can get some more out.
What's the competition?
There you go, look.
Yellow.
Oh,
So we've had red, white and yellow so far. Here he is. What do we got here? Another white one. Oh. Yeah. Steady. Oh.
Still caught it though. Yay!
Well
I
done.
reckon I'm winning now.
That's 5-all.
A big hook in the mouth.
Ooh. Just when I went 7-5 up, 7-6. Oh. Yay. 7-all, honey.
Did you see that?
Yeah. So we've just finished our piranha fishing. I had 8 out, pretty good, but we're gonna let Jo win today. She got 9 fish out, but really good fun. Our 2 guides were brilliant. It was entertaining. I reckon we had about another 10 on, and Jo nearly knocked one out on the side of the boat. But anyway, piranha fishing was great. We're heading back to the resort now to go have some dinner.